the React Open Source Awards. This year, we're going to try something for the first time. All the speakers and us,
yes,
we were voting on what we think are the most valuable, most cool open source projects that, of course, people spend their own time on. And we want to give thanks to those projects. So we've defined a few categories, and most projects have people here today. So we're going to give a nice thanks to them. And yeah, let's kick it off, I'd say.
Sounds good.
Yeah. So.
Okay, so we're talking about the breakthrough of the year. The candidates are Apollo GraphQL.
I've heard of them. Yeah.
I think I've heard of them too. Parcel.
Yes, Bundler.
Expo. And Reason React. Can I get a drum roll from everybody, please?
The winner of the first award of React Amsterdam 2018 is
Apollo GraphQL.
Apollo GraphQL. Do we have a representative?
We could like a representative to come up and accept the award. Excellent. Yeah, accept the award.
We have a nice plaque for you. It's the breakthrough of the year. So
that's pretty amazing.
Yeah. So thank you. Do you want to say a few things? So like, what do you do for the project, and how did you come involved?
Sure. I actually work as a product manager for Apollo Engine. I've also been involved in a number of open source Apollo projects. Not actually Apollo client. I've worked on the Apollo iOS client and Apollo CodeGen. So I really shouldn't take credit for this. But all the credit goes to the amazing team of contributors and users. There's a really amazing community around Apollo. So if you use any of the Apollo projects, please don't be shy. Join the Apollo Slack. Join the contributor channel in particular, because it's really a community-led project, and I think that's its biggest strength.
Well, thanks a lot for joining, and don't be shy. It's your project. Take it home.
All right.
Thanks again.
Thank you again. It's okay. Do you want to announce the next set of people and the winner?
I could. I shall.
Let's let you do it.
I shall.
Metten style.
So, right. Next up is the fun side project. So it doesn't need to do anything useful. It can just be fun. So we have the home automation, which we've just seen. Some stuff about. We have React Kawaii and React Tetris. Sounds pretty cool. So
yeah.
I think it's time for another drum roll. Can I get a
drum roll? Everybody.
The winner is React Kawaii.
All right.
So
now I don't believe we have a representative from React Kawaii here today, but
yeah.
Or do we? Yeah! All right, come on up here.
We have a representative.
Yeah. I'm also representing bundle size.
You're
we can't tell you who's going to win.
So we also have a nice plaque for you.
Thank you.
So
no, I gotta ship it. Thank you, man.
Yeah, of course, ship it.
So here's my question to you. Do you have a few words, or were you just a random person in the audience that decided to get a free award?
No, I actually know the girl and I've helped on the project.
Perfect. All right, good. Just making sure.
Okay. No, I did contribute to the project. I made some things and I helped around with the code. And
all right.
I did something.
All right. Thank you so much. Okay,
it's
next
time for the next one. Well,
the most impactful contribution to the community? Oh, yeah. All right. We have, of course, listed here Storybook, listed bundle size, how to GraphQL, and native base. So I think I've heard of a few of these as well.
Yeah, you know them?
Yeah.
All right.
All right. You ready to get a drum roll again?
It's time for another drum roll.
Drum roll, audience, please.
And the winner is
Storybook.
Storybook.
A rep from Storybook.
Do we have a representative? Yes, two. We have two.
You're going to have to split that award.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations. So I'll just smash this on the table so you can share it, all right?
Yeah, good idea.
All right. So guys, Can you give us a little story?
Ah.
Or gonna write a whole book?
So yeah, my name is Norbert. I maintain Storybook with a lot of other contributors and maintainers. One is Phil, who is amazing at doing code and pull requests and closing issues and all the stuff that is relevant to open source. I personally do more the onboarding and management and decision-making side, but also do lots of the stuff that he's doing also. But he actually is gaining or overtaking me in the number of commits. So yeah, I'm super happy maintaining Storybook. Would love to take it a lot further than what it is today. So yeah, if you want to follow it on Twitter or me, that's amazing.
Excellent. And I'm sure you have a few stickers as well.
I have stickers, so come at me. I'll have plenty of stickers.
Come at me.
Oh, I just wanted to say that it's incredible how small time did it take from me opening a first PR with adding some hrefs to sidebar links to staying on this stage. And I should say that any one of you can do the same. So we always need new contributors.
PR's welcome.
Yeah. Well, very good job. You definitely earned it. It's fantastic.
Thank you very much.
All right. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, guys. So what is next?
Next should be the productivity booster.
The productivity booster.
Ah, there we go.
Oh, that helps, yeah. So we have Prettier, the styling thingy. We have Code Sandbox, the online code sandbox. And we have Parcel, the parcel maker. It's really good namings.
These are good descriptions.
Yeah. And we have Lint Stage. So, what do you think? Who shall be the winner of this category? Can I get a drum roll, please? Oh, oh.
I love it.
Oh, I'm just gonna wait for that sound. It's amazing. Now let's go. The winner is Prettier! Well,
as I understand it, we do not have a rep from Prettier here today.
well, since I'm prettier, then I'll take it. Can I get my award? No. Okay. All right. That was a low blow. Sorry, man. Love you.
Aw, so sweet.
All right.
MC Love. What did you have against intelligent people? What did we ever do to you?
Well, I must make fun of at school.
All right, the most exciting use of technology.
Ooh, that's exciting.
So this one's going to have also Code Sandbox, React Native binding for iOS ARKit, Ink, and Magic Persistence Layer.
All right. So in this category, we have a drum roll. And the winner is Code Sandbox. Yeah.
All right.
All right. I see we have a
the audio
representative.
coming in.
Oh, yeah, nice. All right. Hello. All right. Come to the middle, guys. Come.
Center stage.
All right. So, and also a nice award for you guys.
Congratulations.
Can you come a little bit closer? Yeah. And oh yeah, you're in the light. So yeah. All right. So of course you can have a nice word. So,
Hello. Whoa. Well, thank you.
Yeah!
Nah, that's a bit too short. I want to thank everyone that started contributing to Code Sandbox, started using Code Sandbox, and also started sharing examples with Code Sandbox. We also saw a sandbox in a talk. That was super cool to see. And oh yeah, I wanted to make a very small announcement. 3 weeks ago, we introduced Code Sandbox Live, which means that you can start editing code real-time Google Docs style. And in about a couple hours after the talks, I will send out a link, and then everyone can join one sandbox, and we'll just see what happens with it. But everyone can start editing the code, and yeah, you can all send it in the Slack, I think.
Very nice, yeah. you have anything you want to add?
Just say thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. So I think we have one more category, right?
No.
No? Okay, so these were the projects. Be sure to check out all the projects, the winners, and the other projects too. They're all super cool projects. They're not nominated for no reason, so be sure to check it out.